Yes, fam, 12 minutes have passed. We went 2 minutes over, and that wouldn't be a problem. Now look at this. I'm showing you, look at the power of the green plantain porridge when you chose the proper plantain. When you choose the plantain of the right nature. Look at the power of this green plantain porridge. Now, our porridge has been properly cooked. I'm going to turn my heat off because I'm going to proceed to sweeten. And I've said this so many times, and I'm going to say it right here and now again. Never sweeten your porridge, your tea, or any hot thing on the stove with the heat under. Never you do that. You will sweeten forever and ever, and you will not get the taste. In other words, you might need only a 3/4 of a tin of milk for this. Okay, y'all? And you will be there pouring, and you pour one tin, and when you pour another half tin and you still sweeten, you're not getting the taste. The heat is pulling away the flavor. Okay, y'all? Now we're going to proceed to sweeten with here our condensed milk. And you know the proper procedure is you're supposed to remove your label from your tin, wash it, dry it, and then you cut it. Okay, y'all? So we're going to proceed to put about, we're going to sweeten with our condensed milk only. So we are putting in 3/4 of a tin of condensed milk, and we are going to sweeten up a bit. Okay, y'all? We're going to try to get the condensed milk dissolved in this here, or plantain porridge. And I want to show you, we didn't put anything. You can mix this with oats, but I just choose to show you the plantain porridge on its own, what it looks like. Okay, y'all? I just want you to see what the plantain porridge on its own look like. When you put it with oats, you know it's not plantain porridge again, it's plantain. Plant and oats, plantain and oats plant, it's plantain. I'm gonna do videos for you with all of those. Right now, we're gonna put, you notice we didn't put any nutmeg, so I'm gonna grate. And I say to you all again, just be minimal in your nutmeg, just a small amount. I promise to give you or to tell you that thing about the nutmeg, but now that I have another channel, I'll just probably discuss it over on the Jamaican Debbie Debs. It's a bit sort of kind of gross, not so to speak, so I'm not gonna tell you why. Okay, just a small amount, and this might be even too much for this amount of porridge, but nevertheless this little bit extra won't kill us. So do not go about with just like, this is about like 4 cups of porridge or 4.5 going to 5. Don't go about grating 2 and 3 nutmegs and putting in there. You don't need that much, okay, y'all? So we're gonna sweeten until we get our condensed milk properly dissolved. When that happens, and it seems like we're almost getting there, we're gonna taste for our sweetness, and if we want a little bit more of salt. Yes, and we can just put the rest of our milk right in there, because we are not using any sugar. So the milk, this rest of milk will just do the job. And if you use this to a tin of milk to this amount of porridge and you want more, you can go ahead, or if you want extra sweetness, you can just go ahead and add a little brown sugar or whatever, G sugar, but I would prefer to say some brown sugar. So we are scraping around the sides of our pot here. Look at the power of the green plantain on its own porridge. Yes, our porridge is ready. Look at the consistency of the porridge. It is ready. Look at the smoothness of the porridge. And you notice we did all coconut milk and just a small amount of water. Now we are ready. We are ready. One more time, ladies, look at this. Ladies, get it, camera girl, get right in. You ladies, you look at the power of this green plantain porridge. No oats, no cornmeal, no peanut in this one. Okay, y'all? Now, I'm gonna plate up some for you. Okay? Plating up some of this green plantain porridge, Jamaican style, old time, long time, authentic, Jamaican style of making green plantain porridge. Okay, y'all? Look at the beauty. Look at it. Now we're going to proceed to clean around here. As you know, I always say presentation is key. Our cloth is clean. You know my cloth are always clean. We wash so often, we have them in vinegar water and we clean. They're always clean. From my kitchen to yours, to your plate, to your stomach, it's green plantain porridge. You saw me right from scratch and I went in depth. And listen to me all. I want all you ladies, I want you serve this to your husbands 2 times per week, to your boyfriend, to your man. Serve this just like how you see I do it. Serve this to them 2 times per week. And then upon over to the Jamaican Debbie Debs, we'll discuss the result of this 2 times per week to your husband, boyfriend or man over there. And listen, I want to drink some. Hello, please. I want to drink some. Wanna think me not going to drink some? Come on. Okay. And I'm not in any joking this morning. This is for you all. Once more. From my kitchen to your stomach. Enjoy. Hello. Hello. I have some other bread over here. You don't know me always have my bread. Is a Jamaican thing this is we always have a big hard bread. It's a Jamaican thing. You all know that. Okay? So I always do this. And any of you, please don't lie to me, be truthful to me. Any of you who ever do this, or if you still do this, please say something to me. Don't lie to me. Don't lie. Camera girl, you do this? You don't? No, you don't. Because you're stushy. And look, it's hot, you know. I want to heat for you. If you do this, please comment below. If you do this or you have ever done this or when you was a child growing up in Jamaica, yeah? Mix up with hard bread in our porridge, yeah? And drink it before we go to school a man time. Okay, y'all? Look at it. Look at it. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, your co-workers, your family. Leave your comments below and continue to subscribe. Thank you all. Thank you for your kind words, and comments. I'm sorry, you all. Thank you for your kind words and your comments, and continue the support on the Jamaican cooking journey. Debbie from Dongayard, porridge time.